Okay, good evening.
Good evening. How are you doing, man?
I'm doing good, man. I'm having a good day. This week started in a different way because I had a infiltration problem in the apartment. Can you believe it? And water started dropping in many different points because the apartment above got a drain stuck it with something. So the drain had a problem, and it was crazy. I saw a waterfall in front of me. I opened this door here, and I saw a waterfall inside of this building, and it was shocking and beautiful. It was so different. It was like for real, for real. And I wanted
So
so
enjoy today.
I enjoy it. It was yesterday. It was how the week started. It was a different way to start a week. It was beautiful, and I was so in shock I couldn't register it. I missed the chance to get my phone and register it, and I was talking to a neighbor, and she told me, "Wow, it was fantastic, right?" I say, "Yes, it was," and she say, "Oh, I missed the shot. I could register it, but I was amazed. It was beautiful, right?" And I told her, "Yes, it was beautiful. It was intense, lots of water in the star way." Lots of water. You guys have no idea. Like a waterfall. Like a waterfall. Much water. But it was beautiful. The neighbors, of course, are all pissed off. I was kind of enjoying this. That's it.
It's 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 I guess it's a very common thing in apartments, buildings. Not this situation, but problems like this.
Yes. Leaking or plumbing problems. Plumbing problems. When you have this problem, you can get a professional. The name is plumber or plumber. Two possible pronunciations, plumber or plumber. And that's a very interesting name because plumber comes from plumbum. Plumbum is PB, and it's a very heavy metal they use for fishing, for example. You know this metal?
Yeah.
This metal was used in Rome, in the Roman Empire, for the water system. So this profession, plumber, comes from Latin, plumbum, because the water system in the Latin Empire, in the Roman Empire, was made of plumbum. Or, uh, that's it, the plumber. That's it.
Yeah, we also have the plumbo guns. If you want to, like a toy, you can shoot with a plumbo.
Oh, yeah. That's it. Good memory. Nice point. That's the material. That's the material. This material is very toxic today. Very toxic today. Guys, you're good, right? You had a good weekend? Great. Amazing. You guys sent me your homeworks. Amazing. And I had no time to open it.
Good. You're just like us. No time for nothing.
Exactly. I just finished my presentation for today.
Great.
And
Great.
I tried many times on weekends, and then I made my final one today. One
What?
thing I can tell you, I really like to be aggressive when saying something because I'm too quiet to talk really, but that's my way. When I hear it, I could see I almost sleep. You know?
I understand. I understand. Because when we listen to
So
ours,
I need practice this situation. I should talk more aggressive.
there are some people, they agree on this idea. Oh, you need to change yourself. No, I believe you gotta, in English, find the best version of yourself in Portuguese. There is Fernando in Portuguese, the professional. who today has a good job and is
No,
professional.
no, I'm not talking about leadership is important. I should, many times in our life, not just like we should talk of higher,
Maybe.
I think,
Yes.
sometimes because you should say exactly selling yourself better, I think.
I believe that's something you can try and maybe you can have good results. Because if we mix all the background you have as a quiet guy and now you're trying this new approach, I believe beautiful things are going to happen. That's a nice combination. That's a nice combination. That's yourself with a more aggressive approach. I like it. And you're going to try it. Maybe you like it. Maybe you like to be aggressive. Who knows? Who knows? There are some moments being aggressive is cool. And there are other moments we need to be very, pretty much like politicians. Oh no, it's okay. Yeah, everything's going to be all right. Let's get together, make solutions. Um, I've I'm very curious about the audios, and I am going to listen to the audios right now in front of you before the presentation. Why doing this? Because you can see my reaction. That's going to be funny, and the audios are short. They are very concise. So I don't believe that's going to be a problem for the presentation, for example. It's good to discuss about these audios. And the reference I sent you, um, it was a similar job I'm doing with another student. Great student.
Good. I like that woman. She said very nice, very fluent English.
Yes,
I
man.
could understand her. Very sounds very clear.
This
I
girl,
like that.
she made something amazing today on LinkedIn. She created a post saying, I am improving my English with Rodolfo and his methods. And I was, wow, that's crazy. Yeah. I mean, many people now are adding me on LinkedIn. I don't use LinkedIn very much, but uh, wow, it was amazing. She's a great professional. She's a great professional. Okay, let me find your group. Why can't I find your group? I got it. Great. Okay, so who sent first? My uncle sent it first. Not so bad. I trained her on last week. I trained her? Who's her? Okay.
Yours too.
Hi, my profession was chosen to learn technological advances.
Oops.
My profession was chosen to learn technological advances. When I was young man, I realized that professions were generally boring and no change was expected. I had seen the process were the same through my whole life. So, I like to learn new technologies to improve processes and people's lives. I have the ability to identify gaps. I'm a good team player and I really enjoy innovations. I trust you will find my professional knowledge to be a strong indicator for what we're looking for. My name is Fernando Cardoso, software engineer. Thank you for your time and your consideration.
Okay, good. Very interesting. Honestly,
But pay attention. I used uh, a self presentation online that I saw I find out in Google
you
in
found on Google. You
I
use it.
found on
You
Google.
have used a
YouTube.
template. No problem.
Not a template, it's a contest, a step by step.
Perfect. Great. Amazing. The point is
Because
pronunciation.
he said in the video, it's most common. People say like my name is
Yeah.
how I
Yeah.
had 30 years. And he said in the video, it's not so, it doesn't take so much attention. He said at the beginning, at
Wow.
the 3 seconds, you should create a hook to history to to take the attention of the people.
That's a video you sent on the group?
Yeah.
Nice. Great. Great. Amazing. There is one problem in the beginning of the video, maybe because of my speaker. I couldn't get the sound very well. There was an echo around,
No,
something
no,
like this.
I could see that because I make this audio in front of a computer, not notepad, not in the on
I got it. When we
in
talk in front of the computer, the voice comes back because of reflex,
that's the point.
waves coming
That
back.
was my mistake.
That
Okay.
that's all right. That's okay. That's easy to fix. You just go to a different area. You turn to a bigger space. But there are pronunciation problems there. I'm gonna
Mm-hmm.
point them out after class. Okay. But
Okay.
uh, I have listened once. I got the context. I didn't get everything because of the problems I told you about. But man, it was nice. It was natural. I like it.
Okay, I think B1 English it's okay for the audio.
I like it too, bro.
I'm going to be fluent like your student, Laisa, right? Maybe
Lais.
Lais, okay.
I like your audio, Fernando. I listen it before I record my audio, and it was really nice because you told about yourself and you told about your career and about
That's
your
it.
expertise and your skills, and it was really good.
I was
Nice.
prepared about the just like I hear the video. It was a nice video. It's not just for they 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 do the explanation about your self presentation and yourself selling videos, many topics. So I prepared first to do step by step like they say in the video.
Nice. Good.
I heard yours too was very nice. I think your pronunciation was better than me.
Better
I
than
like
mine.
that very much. Better than mine, okay.
Better than mine. Nice. Good. Gabriel's turn. Let's do it.
Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel Pacheco. I am 26 years old. I work with computer science since I was 16 years old. I started as an intern and nowadays I am a manager and I manage a team with 10 members. So I need to have a strong communication skills, a strong leadership skills to bring information about our customers, our clients, and to pass this information and translate this information to features and to test to the development team. I also like to sing and to play the guitar in my free time. So nice to meet you all.
Good. Nice. Uh, yeah, you guys need to mix skills. And that's it. You guys help each other a lot because that's very lucky. For me, you complement each other. You guys complement each other well. That's
I
nice.
believe.
I don't need to work a lot because you guys are helping me on the process. Like, that's fantastic. And uh, I just know that you guys know what to improve in each audio. There are some things, for example, Gabriel, your audio was clear, simple to
Clear.
understand.
Very nice.
The parts are understandable, but it can get a more aggressive approach if you use his techniques. And also, for clarity, to make it simple and easy to understand, Fernando needs to use Gabriel's simplicity, calm, voice, pitch of voice. I remember, guys, I have taken classes in the United States, English classes, in the morning, grammar and literature, in the afternoon, conversation classes. It was fantastic experience because many things I've learned there I use in my classes, of course. And there was something on the conversation class. The teacher was always talking about the pitch of your voice. pitch of your voice is related to frequency, clarity, and maybe aggressive way to talk sometimes. Just to make it clear, concise, simple to understand, objective. So basically you guys gotta mix skills. Fernando to make it more audio clear. Audio clear. Your method was fantastic. My name is Fernando Canguçu. In the end, yeah, amazing. Amazing. It was unique. It was unique. You like it, right, Gabriel? This detail in the end? Wow, that's a nice detail. Gabriel, you need to improve on your method. It was clear, but maybe simple. Why not making it richer? In details, richer in details. Your homework about your audio is, your next homework is, and that's exactly the same homework I gave to Lais. You guys are basically together. That's good for me too. Not necessarily a class, but you guys help each other. I send Lais files to you guys, and I send your files to her. So your next step is, I'm gonna comment your audios and be clear about the details you gotta improve. You are going to record a new version, and for next week, you are going to already record a video. What's the video about? The audio. I want you now showing your body language skills, your calm, your confidence, your mouth moving. Is it clear for me to understand you without subtitles? Can I see some confidence in this video, naturality? Why so? Because some processes, they are like this. And you know, I have talked about this process, I'm practicing with you guys, and you have the script already. The script is very simple. It's the audio, but you're going to fix it using each other's skills, details you've paid attention on. Okay?
Okay, but just to tell about the curiosity. Last week, I received this invitation to send my resume to be a professor in one university here in Belo Horizonte.
Wow.
Program. And they asked me to send a video with my self-presentation. And that's one process on their process. But unfortunately, the position is not really good to me, and the days, and it's overlapping with my work time, so it's not. I'm not going to proceed with this process. But it's good to know about this video test. It's really important to know in all of process.
For teachers, that's the new normal. That's the new way.
I had this experience about 5 years ago to work as a warm hotel. They asked for a video, 1 minute or 2 minute video in center.
Yes. I mean, for
Important, of course, but I had no idea at that time what to say, and of course I made some mistakes, but now I'm better now. I'm improving. And
5 years ago.
5 years.
That's a long time already they're asking for videos.
A long time, yeah.
Before pandemic or anything. And
before, certainly.
I guess Salvador was ahead of his time.
totally. And we can consider the number of people applying to get this job. So videos, they save lots of time. Lots of time. I mean, in a 1 minute video, anyone can see if the person is, I don't know, hanging on the situation well in the first 10, 15 seconds. Maybe after 15 seconds, okay, that's not the guy. And you save lots of time. In an interview, you need to stay for 10 minutes with the person. At least, just to respect the person coming to the place. Nice. Video is the next step. That's your next step,
Good.
okay? Audio, you're going to fix your audio, Gabriel. You have.
But first of it, your homework is your consideration.
Yes, yes, totally. I'm gonna do it after class because I have no class after. No, I'm not gonna promise I'm gonna do it after class. I'm gonna do it by tomorrow afternoon-ish because my morning is going to be alright, not very full of classes. But anyways, I'm gonna do it as soon as possible. Totally. My considerations. But you can think about them already. Okay? I have talked about them, you can think about them. Start,
Yeah,
please,
sure.
processing this information, digesting this information, understanding it. Oh, Gabriel, how am I going to organize this now? Fernando, how you're going to pronounce some words? I'm going to list. Yeah, I need to list for you. And the clear audio. How are you going to fix this audio detail? Presentation time. And Fernando starts. That's the deal, right?
Yep.
Perfect. So you can share your screen and you have 5 to 10 minutes to this first part of your presentation because Gabriel gotta compliment you. And remember, this presentation is for you guys to teach me. So it gotta be simple to understand.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Okay. That my I begin, right? Because
Yes,
the
yes.
first
You start.
steps of the. So I want to explain you, Rodolfo, because you are not working with IT technology. I will try to explain you some steps of Scrum. One of them is sprint planning meeting. It's something. It's a meet that people they are together to discuss about the problems
Discuss.
and
Discuss.
discuss about the problem, not the problem, discuss about the requirements of the process, and they should know what they are going to do ahead in the timeline and keep and planning keeping something on the background when put something in background and something in some others planning to people develop and work on it.
Rank things, for example. That's the most important. We gotta do it
Rank,
now and
yeah, rank
rank.
things and how can I say timeline is okay to say
Yes,
timeline.
yes, respect a timeline. Create a calendar, schedule, an agenda
Yeah,
for the.
okay. So it's a timeline to do to distribute. And there's a manager involved. There's a and people around the distribution is about and background things are keeping are kept
Are kept are kept for people to do it or people not to do it for a while.
because there's a amount to do and some others you kept
In the
if things
background.
flowing okay and
Okay.
you got it before the time planning you can
Perfect.
recover to the back and continues and
Perfect. I got it. It's a way to organize the project. That's it.
that that's the resume. Yeah.
Okay.
And the second thing is daily meeting.
Okay.
It's something you have a meet at a short time in a day. Before the pandemic, it was you generally discuss the things
Discuss.
in a discuss in a circle. You don't sit on the the journey don't sit on your chair to be faster your discussion, your problems, to see your problems, and then you can say the problems you had last day, what you are doing now, and what you are going to do during the day and the next day.
Okay.
So you tell people exactly about your problems, about what you are doing, and if they have a chance, you can help you about the topic you have some problems.
Nice.
It's a nice time to do.
Interesting. Scrum
So
method
that's
is
it.
for.
I forgot something, Gabriel, because I don't use this only.
No, it was really good explanation.
Okay.
You told us about planning meeting and daily meeting.
This is for teams only. For example,
No,
I am a one guy company, and can I this group session is going to be with my other versions, the other Rodolfos.
you can use. I guess you can use alone. Don't you think?
I think yeah, because you can organize your ideas with yourself.
Got it. Nice, nice. Yes, like putting different areas to converse, to talk, or to complement each other. Totally, I got it. I can see it. I can picture it. Totally. Nice.
That's it.
Your presentation was very clear. I totally got it. It was nice. In the beginning, I was kind of lost, but I understood this um, effective way to put the team to work together and organize. This was your part. Organize this to work and uh, rank the most important things, and let's do it first. And the rest of the people, if there is time left, we can focus on the not so important things. Perfect. Let's make it happen. All right, got it. Great. Gabriel.
I put some slides
Okay.
just to help us understand. Uh, so, are you seeing?
I got it.
So Fernando told us about the product backlog, which is the list of tasks or features we want to build in our project. And he told about the sprint planning, which is this meeting. We need to choose some tasks to do in this period of time. This period of time usually is 14 days, and it's called sprint. Okay?
Sprint in English is a fast run.
Yeah, exactly. So you have 14 days about sprinting and running to achieve this objective, which is complete all tasks selected on the sprint plan. Okay?
Okay.
And Fernando told us about the date scrum, which is check what is our improvement every day. Check if there is some problems to resolve or something like that. So I'm going to present now the sprint review and the sprint retrospective. Retros,
Retrospective.
yeah,
That's GFQ even in Portuguese.
yeah,
Retrospective.
retrospective, yeah,
Okay.
retrospective. So the sprint review usually it's a meeting with 2 to 4 hours.
So sprint review usually
Usually
lasts 2 to 4 hours.
2 to 4 hours. Yeah, but it's not uh, you can change this.
Nice.
For example, my team usually lasts the sprint review lasts only 1 hour.
Okay.
So the objective of this meeting is uh, check how many tasks we complete. If there is some task we and not deliver at this moment because there is some problem or some blocked test. For example, I need to Rodolfo finish their test, his tests before I finish mine. So we can talk about this and present the done functionalities. For example, I did this, Fernando did that, and Rodolfo did that, and we share our screen and prove uh, this functionality are done. And we update our product backlog, removing uh, this done functionalities from our list, our backlog list, and just programming the next sprint's planning date. Okay? So the retrospective, it's a meeting that lasts 30 minutes to 3 hours. But my team, for example, just use 15 minutes, something like that. And we just tell what went well, what we could improve, what can we improve it. And we can compliment someone to a very nice job. For example, Rodolfo, very well. You are really good in this task. You really help our team. Fernando, very good implementation of the code. The code quality is so good. So we can uh, make some compliments to people in our team. And that's it. And I bring you one practical example of a really good tool you can use to using planning meeting, which Fernando presented to us. First of all, there is the roles we have in Scrum.
There are there are some rules.
Yeah, there are some roles. For example, we have the product owner, which is the member who organizes the product backlog, defines the priority, defines features, and you, Rodolfo, you need to put your wish list in a list on Trello, on a list on Google Docs, and something like that.
That's a business guy, right?
Yeah, usually he's a business guy and bring some features from the customers, for example.
The requirements came up.
Yeah, exactly. And the Scrum Master is a role that organizes the daily routine and assure that ceremonies are going to happen, assure that there is no problem to execute some tasks, something like that. And the development team, the team
Restructure.
no, the development team is the team uh, that are going to develop the features and deliver.
Please, may I give you an example? Scrum Master. Can I make some some examples similar of the one that don't use
Okay, that's
how
the
do you
guy.
call síndico in English?
I would call the condo manager, but let me just make
Condo
sure.
manager.
Yeah.
It's something like that. A condo manager, we organize everything.
Yeah, a
It
good
goes
example.
everywhere, every place, and makes things going.
Yeah, it's a really good example. And just to
Building
exemplify,
manager, building manager. Okay.
Building.
and just to exemplify, we can use a practice here.
Okay.
And so I'm going to send you a link. I will create this room at Scrum Poker. Scrum Poker is a methodology we can use to plan our sprint. Okay? So the product owner, which is Rodolfo in this case, okay? Product owner list puts some homeworks for me and Fernando to do. And every class he sent us a homework, a different homework. But me and Fernando don't know me and Fernando maybe disagree about the difficulty about each homework. But we need the same time to do this homework. Okay? So let's do this practice. This practice. So I sent you a link here. If you can enter in this link, put your name in it. Okay, Rodolfo is here. Fernando, if you could be here too. Okay, so Rodolfo, what is your next homework? You already told us what it is.
It's a video.
Video consideration.
Yeah, a 1 minute video.
Yeah, 1 minute video.
Okay, so sorry. Okay, you have some cards in your screen.
Yes, I do.
Okay, you have cards from 1 to 20. Okay, and if you consider this task really easy, you put the one card, the card with value 1. But
It's a rate, right?
yeah, it's a rate. For example, if the video was just saying hello, your name and your age, it's a really simple video. So you vote in this part. But if it was a video with 30 minutes and you need to tell all about yourself and something like that, you are going to choose the 20 points score. Okay?
Okay.
So just to exemplify, choose some cards, please, about this test. The 1 minute video.
I've done it. I chose it.
Yeah, Rodolfo is green to me. Fernando can choose some card.
How can I choose it? I don't
Play,
know.
play.
Play, okay. Okay. It's rate the consider video, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I don't.
Okay, so I'm going to show your votes. Rodolfo, chose the 8 value card, and Fernando chose the 1 value card. So now, you two are going to discuss about this test. Rodolfo, why do you think it is a 8 value card?
Considering your parameters of 1, it's a video with your name, your age, and that's it. And a more complex 30 minutes video would be 20. I chose something in the middle. It's a professional presentation, but you gotta show me your skills of a job interview. Like, I would like you, in a perfect scenario, to be well dressed. Of course, I'm not asking you this, but considering the simplicity of the script you already have, and you just need to practice for 1, maybe 2, 3, 4 videos before sending the final version, I believe that's not very difficult. That's a number 8, but not so easy like, hello, my name is Rodolfo, nice to meet you, see you later. That's my point.
Nice point of view. So, Fernando, why do you think it's a 1 valid test?
Just because I made exactly how you say, only a simple phrase, what's your name, how rich are you, and point. Just because for me it was very easy to make a consideration, so I rated to number 1.
Okay, Fernando considered Gabriel's example of a very simple
Yeah.
video. Oh.
Yeah. But it was good because, look, I need to, or Rodolfo needs to tell us again about the homework. Because the test is, what is, Rodolfo?
The video you gotta record for a minute. Basically, it's the audio you have recorded already. So you are going to transform something that's audio file now into images, video file. That's it.
Okay. So now we can vote again. So put this task, Fernando, what is the value of this task? And now Fernando puts 13. Why, Fernando?
Because it's more complete than the other topic. I think now he's going to see not the voice of the person, but the expression and the breadth of the person and the time. I think it's more complex than the other one.
It was a good explanation, isn't it? Because
Totally, makes total sense. Even though you have a script, I'm asking for more. Yes, it is more difficult because that's the game I give you guys to play. But yes, it's a little more difficult. It's a little more
well,
complex.
very nice. If Fernando uh, convince yourself, now you need to put the 13 value. But if he doesn't convince yourself,
If
you
he
put a,
didn't, if he
what?
But
didn't,
let me ask you, not average is going to be the final rate?
No, no. Usually, when everyone put the same value, we finish this voting.
wow.
But when usually it just happen 2 or 3 times, okay, by every test. But if after 3 times everyone put some different value, we just select the value with most appearances, for example. So just to finish, vote again, please. Just to check if Fernando
Oh,
convinced the
come
vote.
on. That's so nice. Yeah.
Fernando, put your vote. Okay, so
Yeah,
this
nice.
is the difficulty of our
We agree
Yes, we
on
agree.
of the point of view.
yeah, and it's nice because usually we have some seniors uh, developers, some juniors developers, and the difficulty to a senior developer is different to a junior developer.
Yeah.
So the junior developer are going to point uh, his point of view and the senior as well. And we need to agree with a punctuation nice to both.
Common ground.
Yeah.
Common ground is an expression for we need to find something common here. We need to let's try to agree.
Good, I never hear this. Common ground.
Yeah.
Common ground.
And this game is called Scrum Poker because we pick some card and select the value and just turn the card at the same time. And you turn the card at the same time exactly to Fernando does not know what value Rodolfo choose. And it's good because if Fernando saw the value, it could be, influenced, influenced by Rodolfo's choice. So it's good because of a lot of reasons.
I love it. That was amazing. What an experience. Motherfucker is a show, man. Wow.
Nice. I'm glad you like it.
Great. That's your presentation?
Yeah.
Wow, fantastic. Fantastic. Guys, I had a great introduction by Fernando. Great introduction. Understanding, um, first of all, the way to organize a project. Let's make it happen. And wow, great compliment. Amazing. Amazing. I can totally use it alone. Because I have many personalities? No.
Yeah, I think you do.
No, maybe. No, I don't have it. No, everybody has it. I mean, it's the same Rodolfo, but different situations, we gotta adapt. You know this. But wow, what a nice class today, guys. What a nice class today. Do you have, I mean, how difficult was this homework? This presentation? Now let's make this poker thing openly here. And how difficult was it about your time, organization, you guys? How how complex was it? And I'm asking you. I have an objective with this question,
For I answer first. For me, it was okay.
please.
My ideas were clear.
Clear.
I think it was very clear to say what the meaning of the explanation. I think no problem.
Perfect.
But for me was more difficult the audio. I can say that.
Yeah. Okay. All right. That's good. It's good to challenge you guys, because if there is no challenge, it's kind of boring. So I'm introducing activities I've done in the past with other people, things from my background. Because of the challenge, because of the fun. I have fun during this process. I know it's not so easy, but maybe you guys have fun too during this.
Yeah.
Sure,
I really enjoyed this presentation. And to me, this one, it's uh, I do this every day. So for me, it's easy to talk about these topics.
you work as a Scrum Master, right?
Yeah, in one project I work as a Scrum Master, and
Okay.
other project I work as a product owner. So it's a mix of things.
Okay, two profiles.
And
Nice.
I have just one profile. It's Russian.
no,
I'm a developer, so we're just working in one profile. Nowadays, for a long time ago, I had worked like a manager for 6 months. Was not so good for me because I should have done like a father to the people because I should work with personal. I should understand the personality and, and the day of the person, hour of the company. I should understand many things around his life because it was passing through the project.
yeah, I see. It's a
Guys,
common situation.
is there any other method we can do for next class, considering this activity was simple?
Uh, good
But
question.
we have wait a minute.
The video. Okay.
Relax, please.
No pressure.
We have already a homework.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, it makes sense.
Hello, I'm going to pass you some wrong homework. That's it. Yeah.
Oh, man.
I sent you a link about Trello.
Yeah.
It's a I don't know if you
I've tried Trello. I know Trello. I'm
Where's travel?
Trello is,
Trello is
please, Gabriel.
no, Trello is a tool to organize tasks.
I remember. Sorry, now I know travel.
The good advantage, please, Gabriel.
Well, no, I'm just going to explain that you can have your board, your tasks, your doing tasks, your done tasks, your undone tasks, and you can move these parts. So you can build Rodolfo, a wish list for the English one zone, for example, and every 14 days you pick uh, some tasks to do in the next 40 days, 14 days. And
Totally.
you are going to, every day you can move your cards. You pick some card from the undone to doing, and after move to done. And after these 14 days, you need to check if you achieve all of your tasks, for example, you complete all of your programming tasks.
I gotta do it. That's the point. Doing this.
Yeah, yeah.
That's it. I like Trello and I like Asana. Have you heard about Asana?
Yeah.
Similar to, and the newest one I'm trying is Miro. Miro. is a whiteboard. You can zoom. You can zoom out. It can be, I can have small projects here and I can zoom it and see the parts and connect this to another one. Trello is similar for me to Google Calendar, and I really like this system of moving boxes. I really like it. That's how I organize my classes. For example, let's suppose today, because of infiltration problems, I cannot teach you guys. I text you and I say, can I teach you other day? And we find a solution, I just move the box. Trello is amazing and I like it because of the templates there. The templates for you to start a business, a marketing plan, this, that. So, I mean, I really like it. But it's difficult, honestly, it's difficult to post on Instagram every day, teach many classes. No excuses. I need to be more organized. But Scrum presentation was wow.
Very good.
Was really good. It opened my mind about organization. I am a very visual guy. I like to picture things in my mind, and I really like post-its. And it's totally possible to organize a wall of post-its in the Scrum way. Totally possible. It makes much sense. Guys, I'm gonna write about the video, okay? The audio first, because that's going to be your script. And that's it. Simple like this, okay? Good luck. And good job today, for real, good job. My mind is for real, more open. That's great. That's good. You guys have taught me today. I was a student today. That's cool. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Okay?
See you on next.
See you. You have a beautiful week, guys. Great job. See you next class. Okay?
You too, guys.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Wow, what a class.